You can't have a boy in your bed.
Why not? You do.
I'm a grown-up.
I'm pregnant.
Are you sure?
Maybe.
Well, you're getting an abortion tomorrow.
No.
Yes.
I love him.
No, you don't.
We're gonna get married.
No, you're not.
And we're gonna get married, and we're gonna have a lot of babies, and we're gonna be happy.
Oh, for fuck's sake, Deb.
Why won't you ever let me be happy?
The next day came. I stayed by Debbie's bed early in the morning. I asked her if she was sure she was really pregnant. She only said she wanted to have the baby.
My body, my decision.
You're just a kid if you're willing to make a decision that could ruin the rest of your life with a boy you barely know.
I begged her not to have it because she would regret it someday. She left without letting me finish. But later, I still decided to go with her to the hospital for a checkup. The result was positive. The doctor asked her what she wanted to do. She said she wanted to keep the baby. But when she came out, she lied to me saying she wasn't pregnant. Naive me believed her. Later, she found Derek. She told him she had already picked out a name for the baby. Derek thought this needed to be discussed with both families. Debbie said it wasn't the right time yet. At that moment, Derek said he hadn't finished his homework and wanted to leave.
Okay, just don't forget about our appointment after school.
What?
Planned Parenthood, 4 o'clock.
Right.
When afternoon came, Derek didn't show up. Debbie had to go to his house to find him. But Derek's mom said he's moving to Florida to live with his grandmother. He's not coming back. Debbie was shocked to hear this.
He can't go to Florida! He's the father of my child!
Later, when she got home, I asked her at the door what happened. She cried and told me to go away. But I told her I was there if she needed to talk. Debbie realized then that she had been abandoned. She kept texting Derek, but got no response. By the next morning, Carl kept calling me from downstairs. When I went downstairs, I found Derek's parents had come. They said they wanted to talk about the baby.
What baby? Derek and Debbie's baby.
Holy shit. What else did I miss?
During breakfast, I told Debbie I had already made an appointment for her to get an abortion at the clinic. Debbie refused. I said Derek was gone, but she still thought Derek would come back. It was just his parents who were assholes. I had to ask her a very real question. If she was going to take care of the baby. What about school? Debbie thought she could handle both. Later, Debbie found Derek's sister-in-law. She asked where Derek really was. Derek's sister-in-law had to tell Debbie the truth. She said Derek chose to move to Florida himself because he didn't want the baby. Debbie still thought it was a lie. She told Debbie Derek wanted to become a pilot. It had been his dream since he was a kid.
But you didn't know that, did you? Because you never asked him about himself. You only cared about the baby. You guys want to feel supported, not trapped.
Meanwhile, the nurse was examining me. Suddenly, she told me she had noted down the pregnancy. I thought she meant Debbie's pregnancy, but she said I was pregnant. Jesus Christ. I couldn't believe it was real. After work, I came home looking for Debbie. When I pushed open her door, I found her packing. Turns out she was planning to go to Florida to find Derek. I didn't agree with her doing this, but she pushed me away. We started arguing again.
There's absolutely no way in hell that you're going to be able to